Well, I'm off to the motor vehicle to try to get this motorcycle inspected and to get a new title. So I got all of my paperwork right here. There's a whole lot of it. I'm gonna head down to 5701 East Hillsborough Avenue, and I filled out the rebuild form. Looks like in Florida it's form HSMV 84490. So, and if you need more information, it's HMS MV 84491 if you need to supply more information. But we'll see what happens. You know, I'm sure that, you know, with everything else with the motor vehicle, it's never easy to just go in and get anything done. I'm sure there's going to be some more stuff required, as always. So we'll see. We'll see what happens as we head over to the motor vehicle and try to get this bike on the road and get a rebuilt title. Well, that's the motor vehicle over there in Tampa. It's actually next to the T-Mobile business park in Net Park. Took a long time to actually find it, but eventually I did find it. So I went inside and I actually have an appointment date for an inspection on December 16th. So that's good. So I have an inspection date for December 16th. I'll bring the bike back. I'll get a temporary plate a few days before so I can actually ride it here. Then you'll see those gates over there. Those gates will be open, and let me actually get out. These gates over there will be open, and then you just bring your bike or your car or whatever, and you just line up, and then they'll do the inspection. And once the inspection is done, then you just sit and you wait for them to get back to you. Throughout the day, they'll call you in, they'll give you a new title and blah blah blah, and you have to pay all your fees. Sorry, you have to pay all your fees. So I can't complain. You know, the hardest process was actually finding this place, because there's nothing in here that says DMV except for some little sign outside in the front, so you have no idea that this is the actual Department of Motor Vehicles. But the gentleman who helped me was pretty cool. One thing that I'll also put out there: if you do this in Tampa, if you come to this Tampa office, you do need to call and make an appointment. I just walked in. I didn't realize you needed to make an appointment, but since they weren't busy, they took me and went through all my paperwork. And you know, I didn't do any engine work or any transmission work or anything like that. All of that stuff checked out fine. When I had when I took the bike over to Thunder Bay and had them do the service, so I had them check all of that stuff out to make sure everything was good with the bike internally. So from what they saw, everything was fine, so no issues there. So we'll see what happens on December 16th. So hopefully we'll have the brand new 2015 CoPart bike on the road and legit again. So I'm still debating on if I'm going to just straight outright sell it, or if I'm going to do a, you know, I don't want to call it a giveaway. It's more like a raffle, where you have to buy a ticket, and then in about 6 weeks, well, go through everybody who bought a ticket, and you know, we'll see who actually wins the bike, and then I'll just ship you the bike. And that's it. So I'm thinking that's the way I'm gonna go. But today was a good day. You know, a lot of times when you go to the DMV, it's no fun. But the process was relatively painless here in Florida. So anyway, I'm out until December 16th. Later, guys and gals.